Belvista Studios. In this video, I'm going to be talking about user testing. So user testing is a human-centered design tool. It enables you to test whether your product or solution is fit for purpose and meets the user's needs. So I'm going to be referring to our human-centered design playbook. There is a whole section on how you can conduct user testing, and it's how our team conducts user testing. But basically, user testing, it just helps you see whether your solution is right. You don't want to release something only to realize that it doesn't meet the project goal, that users can't even access it properly. And user testing enables you to figure all of that out before you release it. It may be minor refinements that you need to make, but it's such a good process because it gives you really valuable data. So there's a user testing preparation guide that you can refer to. It gives you all the information that you need to successfully organize your user testing. So who to invite, what you'll need, how long to book it for, things like that. There's also tips. So because our team has conducted user testing before and we've been experimenting and using human-centered design for quite some time now, we do have tips to share with you to help with your success. An example is don't show users what to do. Let's say that your user is testing an e-learning module. If they get stuck on a screen and they don't know how to progress or move forward, if they ask for your help and you help them, you're not testing it properly. Your end user, if they can't progress on that screen, in the real world, they're not going to have you next to them helping them. So that's really valuable data. Rather than showing them what to do, note that down and understand that you need to make improvements in order for that to be solved. So that's just one of the tips. There's other tips there as well. There's also questions. So there's questions to ask before the testing happens, questions to ask after the testing happens, and also observations. So while the testing is happening, you may be observing things. It could be body language. Someone might look frustrated or confused at a certain part of the service or the product. And these are really important things to note down and record. So if you do want to know more about user testing, please check out our human-centered design playbook or research about it or learn more. It is such a valuable step in a project process. I hope you enjoyed this and have an awesome day.